some heavy construction work going on outside my house. They are expanding the road. So this is one huge truck or digger, I don't know, excavator that's removing the road charcoal. And there's another big red truck where it is dumping everything. I mean, this is something unique. I had not seen it before, so it's very exciting for me to watch this. And for my kids, they are loving all this big machinery. You know how boys are. They love trucks and cars and trains, and they are very excited. So that truck is full, and here another truck comes in and it starts dumping. Wow, such ingenious machinery. Amazing work. Beta, that's a truck. That's a excavator. And it's dumping the road debris on the truck.
Go.
Okay, wait.